Yeah. Okay, so this is Toko Wax Remover HC3. This is to clean dirt and old wax out of the base. You need to make sure the base is clean before you re-wax, otherwise the wax won't penetrate the base fully. Okay, so to use the wax remover, give the can a good shake, and then apply the remover liberally along the base of the ski, making sure you cover the full surface. Leave that for 30 seconds or so, just let the wax remover penetrate, and then you can either scrub it with a brush to make sure that the wax remover gets right into the old wax. Always working along the ski. And give the ski a really good wipe. Some paper. Okay.